Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna check out a very impressive portfolio. I will give it a 9.5 out of 10, maybe even a 10. So let's get into it, all right? So here we go, guys. Shout out to Stefan. Stefan is from Serbia. He sent me an email. He said like this: Hey Joe, I'm a 20-year-old guy from Serbia and finally finished my portfolio and I started my job hunting a few days ago. Can you please take a look at my portfolio and let me know what you think? Jobs for juniors here looking kind of hard. They're more like medium positions than junior. They want us to be the next Elon Musk. Do you have some tips for me to find a remote job from the US where it'll be okay to work with someone outside in the US? I'll send you my CV, so maybe you have some tips for it too. Okay, cool. So again, this is portfolio right here, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Yes, he just started a few days ago. Okay, as far as like, hey, he put his portfolio up, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I think he's ready to go. Okay, I will give this a 9.5 out of 10. 10, like I said, most likely, and it's because it's a really good portfolio. Okay, so again, let's go in. It's very simple portfolio, no fancy animations, nothing too crazy. Okay, front end React developer Stefan Topolovic, passionate front end React developer based in Belgrade, Serbia. Okay, tech stack HTML, CSS, right? JavaScript, React, Tailwind, Sass. All right, cool. So in here he has his about section. Very nice. Okay, each project is a unique piece of development. So in here, what I really like about this portfolio is that he has like real applications that a business can see themselves and say, okay, he can come work here, he can do this type of work here. And again, everything is like pixel perfect. Everything just seems very polished. You're not gonna find no random to-do app, no web API app, no little JavaScript snake game. Like everything here is pretty much like, hey, this is something for a business, which is something that I always recommend to every single one of you guys. This is how you actually get hired. Show that you can actually do work for the type of positions that you are going for. Stop going in and just putting in random projects just to fill it up. People don't care about that you did 30 tutorials on YouTube, right? Don't put those projects in there. What you want to do is you want to go in and build solid projects that a business can say, okay, this guy's ready to go. All right, so let's take a look at this first project over here. This is a car rental service. Okay, the design is very nice. Everything about it is very good. Like I have, any complaints about this at all, right? Very nice. Okay, rental fleets. Okay, he has the different rental fleets, and as you can see, everything changes, the different pricing, the different models. So again, he's taking his time to go in and make everything interactive. He could have easily just stopped right there and say, hey, this is the landing page, ta-da, right? But he's actually making everything, work. So again, very nice. Okay, let's see here. Again, the design is very good. It's really helping him out. Okay, everything works. And let me see if I open up my inspect element. Make sure this thing is responsive. It looks good. Yes, sir. Okay, your boy's not playing no games. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. We got a coin dump. You gotta be careful with this. There's names, right? So it's coin dump, right? I almost said something else. But again, landing page, very nice. Nice little animations. Okay. Again, in here, he's showing us that he can work with different APIs. So this is actually pretty good. Okay, there we go. It's changing the different coins. Okay. Why choose us? Connect your wallet. Again, the design of it, it's really good. And this is something that you guys got to keep in mind. If you show people that you can build something with a good design, even if you didn't build the design yourself, you could find designs online from Dribble to other websites that already have beautiful designs, and then you go and recreate them. right? If you're able to do that, then guess what? It's just gonna show them that no matter what they throw at you, you can actually go and build it. And if they give you a really good quality design, you can go in and execute it and make it into a real website and a web application. Okay. The next one we have right here is Gym8 or Gym8. So click over here. Very nice. Okay, nice hover effect. Okay, it actually goes in and takes you to the different classes. So this is like the little details, going the extra mile. Okay, sometimes people just go in and build a landing page and don't even try to do the rest of the pages. So again, he's showing you that he could build a full website. All he needs is the design and he can go and build it. So again, very nice. Got the about page, got the gallery page, got the schedule page. Okay, got the blog, got the pricing. Okay, got the different classes over here, got the contact page. So yes, he can go and build you a full site if you give him the design. Again, he's a front-end developer. All right, let's go to the next one. In here we have Roth e-commerce. So basically it's a focus, simplicity, clean design. The store prioritizes the user experiences, make it easy for customers to find the purchase product. React and vanilla CSS, that's what he used in here. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, let's see. Okay, he does have a product page. All of this is working. Click add to cart. The cart is actually working. There you go. Let me see, maybe it goes to the checkout. It'll be nice if we would have had this connected to Stripe. Okay, but again, very nice design, very nice website. Pretty much showing all of the skills that he has as a front-end developer, which is really good. You see everything here is very polished. Everything works. All the filtering systems. Okay, and again, you have the product pages right here. You have a trending now section. So yeah, there's no complaints in here. I'll be honest with you guys. All of these projects look legit. Okay, so again, shout out to your boy Stefan. This is what you call a really good portfolio, guys. Again, if you want to get to a level like this, definitely check out CodingPhase.com. For those of you guys that don't know, we do teach people how to code. Doesn't matter what level you're at, we can help you out. If you are a completely beginner, like you have no knowledge of programming, we can help you get to a point just like Stefan. So again, shout out to him. His portfolio is looking great. It's only a matter of time from now to when he's gonna get hired. Now, my advice that I would tell him, right, because he's outside of the US, sometimes it's a little bit difficult for people to find jobs in the US market, right? But what you want to do is you want to start looking into other type of technologies or frameworks or libraries, pretty much just different ways that you could get in. Again, React is very popular, so you have a leg up because you have a really polished portfolio. I will also recommend that you go and check out TypeScript and also to check out Angular. Okay, now you might say, well, Joe, I love React, I'm a React developer, but this is what I'm gonna tell you, right? Hear me out. If you want to find some opportunities, right, and you're seeing that you're applying to jobs, and you're not getting the responses that you want, you're not getting the interviews that you deserve, guess what? Try to get in a different way. Now, a lot of people are paying attention to Angular. They're not really paying attention to the opportunities that's there because they kind of don't want to do it. Everybody wants to do React, and that's fine. You could do React on the side. You could do it on your own projects. But if you want to get paid, look for ways to get into the industry quickly. Okay? Angular right now, no one's paying attention to it. So if you go in and go over Angular, maybe get an online course, or here on CodingPhase.com, you go over the Angular course. You can pick it up like this. It's super quickly, right? And then from there, just build one more project in Angular just to show your diversity, and then apply for all of those Angular positions from Serbia. You can definitely get a job as an Angular developer for sure. Now, of course, you're going to continue applying as a React developer. I'm not saying to stop applying for those roles too, but you want to go in and start adding some more projects, maybe some Angular, maybe some Shopify, and maybe even a WordPress site. And again, I know how people feel about WordPress, but when you're outside of the US, what you care about is this, okay? You want to get your money, okay? And there's a lot of opportunities there. Don't leave those opportunities on the table. Now, you could stay at home and wait, 6 months, a year, till you find the right front-end position as a React developer. Or you could say, let me start working now, build some experience, and guess what? When you go in and apply as a React developer, now you got 6 months of experience, a year of experience, right? Using web development technologies that are adjacent to it, like again, Angular and WordPress. So keep that in mind. Play chess, not checkers. All right, guys. So again, guys, like I said, if you guys want to go and learn how to code, check out CodingPhase.com. It don't cost nothing to go check out the website. Literally, we teach coding not as a hobby, but for a goal to either make money as a developer independently or to start getting a job. Okay. So again, the whole goal here is to get you guys into your first position. And that's what we do at CodingPhase.com. You can go in, check out some of the stories from the Hall of Fame. Again, shout out to Brian Trakovic, the latest member that we added to the Hall of Fame. Hired as a software engineer, been killing it the past few months. And yeah, shout out to Sebastian, Calvin Perez, right? Eric Williams, Herman Valerio, and all the other guys that we are going to be adding to the Hall of Fame in the near future. But yeah, like I said, check out the platform, and I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Stefan, congratulations. You have an amazing portfolio. See you guys later. Peace.